You want to do the honors? We're here with our guest again, Dirk, and we're going to be trying a product that we're not sure about, and we'll have to test it out and see.
Yeah, so the product is called Biscuit Sticks, and as you can see, they don't look the most appealing in the world. When you open up the container and smell it, it literally smells like pet food. Like you're going to get food for your guinea pig. That's what it smells like. So I'm not really sure what to expect here. It's probably pet food, but I guess we're gonna give it a try, Del.
Well, I'm going to try it after I see you try it.
Alright, Del, I'll be the brave one here. It tastes like nothing. There's no taste. Like, the smell is so strong, but there's literally zero taste.
Yeah, these don't taste bad. There's nothing.
I mean, I guess it's better to not taste anything than taste pet food.
Betty Crocker to the rescue on these.
Maybe. I don't know. Overall, on its own, I might give it like a 4 out of 10. Cause actually, let's go to 5 out of 10. I mean, for me, of course, because it's like they just don't taste like anything. I guess we're gonna try Betty Crocker with it, see how it goes. No, it's just the bummy biscuit stick with Betty Crocker frosting. No, you gotta give it a try.
Well, let me see what's in these things first. And the fat slash fat is kind of high. It's got no cholesterol in it. High sodium. That's got a few carbs, and a little bit of fiber, etc., etc., etc. So there's nothing really in this that's bad. And I could even handle it without the Betty Crocker. But
what would you give it on its own, rating-wise?
I think that this picture here on the front is ferocious. And what's inside, people expect a certain thing. They might expect some kind of fiery, hot taste to it. But
is that
the
what
taste is rather bland. And so it's I've never had biscuit sticks before, but I've got nothing against them. They don't taste like they look.
Yeah, they don't taste like anything, actually. So, yeah, overall, I'll give it a 5 out of 10. Like, they don't taste good, but they don't taste bad. It's just the definition of bland. Maybe if you add, like, some salt or something, or some more seasoning, maybe it'll be better. But just on its own, I'll give it a 5 out of 10.
Is it a good wedge food?
Wedge
Like, would you keep it in the wedge? To snack on it? Or
No, I wouldn't personally. I mean, I'd rather have, like, the Cheez-Its or, like, some chips, not this crap.
Let me see how many of these are in a serving.
30.
30, okay. So that's a lot of work. If you're on a diet, I don't think you're gonna get real heavy eating these things. Too much work.
Del, if you had to guess, how many biscuit sticks are in this container?
That's a darn good question. See, 30 pieces per. It'll say, "Oh, you're out. You're not. You're making me guess."
Yeah. Well,
So
of course.
30 pieces per serving, and 18 times 30. See, 10 times 30 would be 300. 10 times 18 would be pretty heavy. I'm gonna say, whatever 18 times 30 is.
Well,
That's 600 minus 60, 540, I'm going to say.
that would be incorrect. Because in a full container, you were close, but there are 13 servings in here, not 18.
Okay, so
the
I was
answer's
off by
390.
a little bit over on the top, yeah.
390.
Okay.
But that was a fun game.
Well, that's a lot of biscuits for your dollar there.
I mean, I would never eat this again, but all right. Had fun. See you guys next time.